heavy cream, Greek yogurt, and fresh fruit. Today, on Grandma Bessie's house, we are making a sweet dessert for two. We are whipping up our lemon-raspberry yogurt parfaits. The recipe and its ingredients are in the video's description. If needed, set up your stand mixer. Place the bowl into the refrigerator until chilled. Take a moment to like and share this recipe. Check out our channel for other easy dessert recipes. Also, subscribe below and click on notifications so you know when we release new recipes. Once chilled, attach the whisk attachment and bowl to the stand mixer. Pour heavy whipping cream into the chilled bowl. Add cream of tartar too. Whisk on high speed until firm. Add the yogurt. Whisk until just combined. Transfer half of the mixture to a bowl. Gather jam and add it to the bowl. Whisk until combined and set aside. What fruit-filled desserts do you enjoy eating? Leave your response in the comments below the video. Pour water in a microwave-safe bowl. Add gelatin and let gelatin stand for 1 minute. Microwave on high 5 to 7 seconds or until melted. Pour gelatin into stand mixer bowl along with lemon zest and lemon juice. Whisk until just combined. Pour in lemon extract. Whisk on high for 20 seconds. Add confectioner sugar. And whisk on medium until just combined. If you are enjoying this recipe, like and share it. Also, subscribe below the video. This helps our channel grow. To put together, place raspberries into a shallow glass, followed by some of the raspberry cream, and the lemon cream. Repeat each layer. Refrigerate a minimum of 20 minutes. Before serving, garnish with more raspberries and granola. Serve chilled and enjoy. Thank you for watching another episode of Grandma Bessie's House.